Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel at home without cream. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You'll also need a sturdy saucepan, a pastry brush, and a heat-proof container for your finished caramel. This method focuses on achieving that perfect golden hue and rich flavor using just these few items. Let's get started on this sweet journey. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once it starts boiling, stop stirring immediately. This is crucial to prevent sugar crystals from forming on the sides of your pan, which can ruin the smooth texture of your caramel. Just let it bubble away. Keep a close eye on your syrup as it boils. Do not stir it. You'll notice it gradually changing from clear to a light straw color, then to a beautiful amber. If you see uneven coloring, gently swirl the pan to distribute the heat. The moment it reaches a deep golden brown, resembling a copper penny, remove it from the heat immediately. Overcooking even for a few seconds can lead to burnt, bitter caramel. Once off the heat, quickly but carefully whisk in your 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It will bubble vigorously, so be cautious. Keep whisking until the butter is fully incorporated and the caramel is smooth and glossy. Immediately pour the hot caramel into your prepared heat-proof bowl or dish. Let it cool completely before using. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, cream-free caramel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.